Welcome to this tutorial video on the Breeze LIDAR system, or altitude sensor. When replacing the main board, you will need to install the LIDAR system. If you just need to replace the LIDAR system, you'll need to desolder it from the main board. Line up the 4 solder points onto the main board as well as the top screw bracket. Using a screw, secure the LIDAR system to the main board. Do not over-tighten this screw, as this could damage the LIDAR board. Snug it down and maybe go another quarter turn to lock it in place. Next, we'll solder these 4 connections to the main board. Heat up your soldering iron and tin your solder. Apply heat and then dab the solder to the main connection. Do 1 pin at a time and be careful not to bridge any gaps. It's also a good idea not to overheat this board, as it could damage it. If you can't get a clean solder joint, wait for a few minutes and let the board cool down, and then try again. Inspect your soldering joints, making sure that you did not bridge any of the gaps. Also look for any cold solder joints at this point. Now we'll install the cover or boot that goes around the LIDAR system. This ensures no ambient light gets in from the sides. Once the boot is in place, you are finished.